What's going on, guys? As you see, I'm already in my account because time is the most valuable asset when it comes to starting an online business. I don't want to take your time, and also I respect my own time as well. So let's just get to things really quick, guys. So as you see, I'm already in my account and I'm making anything from $1,000 to $3,000 every single day. We got some $3,000 days. The thing is, I'm not making this video to show off what I'm making, but the reason I'm actually showing you my account just right off the bat here is that I want you to see what's possible when you have the right strategy. What's possible when you know exactly what you're doing. What's possible when you know what super affiliates are doing to make commissions, like $2,000, $3,000 every single day. So that is the kind of income that people can earn when when they know exactly what they're doing. All right, guys. Now, what's really interesting about this is that all this is being generated from me working about 30 minutes a day to an hour every single day. I'm not killing myself to make commissions like this. It's just really all autopilot, and it's just happening by itself. I'm just kind of managing the whole thing. I'm not really doing much right now. I want to tell you this, that in the beginning, you're not going to be making money like this, okay? It's not going to look like this at all. Imagine something like this, because this is a quite powerful system. Imagine, let's look at the smallest day, like there you go. So 597, right? So let me open this transactions. So as you see, this particular day, which was a really slow day, $460 and 136 totaled, 597 in total sales commissions, basically. So imagine you make this much a week, not even a single day, a week, okay? Because in the beginning, it's really hard to make $3,000 every single day, okay? But even $500 a week, that's going to be an extra $2,000. Think about how much an extra $2,000 is going to change your life, okay? Again, I don't want you to see Lambos and stuff like that, but I want you to see an extra $500 a week, because that's very much possible. And think about how much that's going to change your life. This is what I mean by knowing what you're doing. When you have the right strategy, this is exactly how it's going to be. All right, guys? Now, what I want to do is I want to actually show you this whole thing in detail. I want to explain how I'm making sales like this, all right, and how you can do the same thing. Because the really incredible thing about this is that, again, I'm not doing much, and this is a system that is being used by top level affiliates, like super affiliates, and also a very small group of my students as well. All right, and this thing is gonna put you light years ahead of anyone else out there. Light years ahead of anyone else. It's quite incredible, and it's just a very different and amazing way to make money and make commissions, affiliate commissions like this. So pay attention, because I'm going to explain exactly how this whole thing works. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Again, I want to start by talking about the strategy, because it's cool to see someone make that much money, but how do you actually do it? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you to my computer again. I want to share the strategy with you. I want to show you exactly how everything works, and also I'm going to show you how some of our students are making money using this as well. So it's not just like me, who's been doing it for like almost 11 years, but like other people like me and you who are making money using this as well. So let's get into it. Alright, guys, let's get into it. I don't want to waste any time. So first of all, I want to explain something. With this strategy, you don't have to make any videos. You don't have to, create your own products. Even though we're going to talk about products here, you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to do anything crazy. Even if you don't have any particular computer skills or like landing page builder skills or anything like that, you can literally set this up in like 10-15 minutes. It's that easy. All right, so let's get into it. Let me explain the strategy. So first, I use a paid traffic source usually, and again, I know like when it comes to paid traffic, a lot of people don't want to spend money and all that stuff. I get it. I'll show you how you can literally make this whole thing free. All right, so the thing is, I drive like some paid traffic to a page where I sell a $5 product. Now this is very important. Let me tell you why. First of all, you don't have to create this product. What you do is you can actually buy this product for like $10, license it literally, and sell it as your own. And again, even if you don't know how to set up these sales pages and stuff like that, it's really easy. It's done for you. You can literally set it up in like 10-15 minutes. Now you sell this $5 product. The idea with this is that this is going to do two very important things. Two very important things that it's going to happen when you sell this $5 product. Number one
is that first of all, you're going to generate a list of buyers. I know a lot of people talk about list building, but the thing is, a list of like 20 buyers is like 1,000 times more profitable and valuable than a list of like 1,000 people who wanted to watch a free video or download a PDF or something. That's why it's really important to build a list of buyers. So this $5 product that you sell up front is going to allow you that. It's going to allow you to build a list of buyers. But more importantly, this is actually going to generate money that you pay for advertising. So like if I spend $100 a day on ads, the sales that I generate upfront for this $5 product is just gonna pay for ads, or even like, if not break even, like even be profitable upfront. So that's how powerful this whole thing is. And then again, I take this buyer list that I generated, right? And I just promote ClickBank products to them. Like I send out emails straight up, like nice written emails that you can like get from these affiliate products pages of the ClickBank products that you promote, right? And you just basically like put your affiliate link, send out an email once a day, and start generating affiliate sales on ClickBank. That's how easy it is. Again, like the idea of this might sound a bit confusing, complicated, but it's really, really simple. Really simple. And a lot of people are doing this. I'm a super affiliate. I've been doing this for a long time, but a lot of normal people are doing this. And I'm actually going to show you how. Let me actually show you some student results. Some of my students who've been doing this for a very long time, guys. All right. So this is actually Aaron. He was able to make his first high ticket commission, $1,250, using this strategy, guys. Really simple. He's not a super affiliate. He's not like, doing anything crazy. It's just implementing this automated strategy and making money. All right. So let me show you. And I know 1,200 can be a lot of money, but let me show you other students have been like just started making money. Right. So this is Kevin. He made his first commission, $155, using this strategy. Now let's talk about some other platforms. This is EarthGoal, and he was able to make his first commission using this strategy. Like just setting up a simple product, selling it, building a buyer list, and selling more products to them. Very simple, guys. Very simple. This is David. He was able to make his first few commissions using this. $70. This is a very powerful strategy. It can be implemented by anyone, and from any skill level, really. It's not really that complicated. This is Kaylee, by the way. She was able to make her first $997 commissions, like big commission, using this strategy that we just talked about. Now, this is Matt. He was able to make his first ClickBank sell, posted on our Facebook group, by the way, using this strategy. Again, this is what I'm talking about. It's really, really simple. Anyone can implement it, and you can use this strategy to just promote any free product you want. Really any product, ClickBank, anything you want, you can sell using this. And the thing is that, guys, this is like not super easy to implement in the beginning, especially if you're starting up. This is like there's a bit of work involved, but when you have the right strategy, when you have the right training, you can build something like this in literally 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So before we continue, one of the things I want you to think about is your future. Now this is really, really important. So this is not just about making money, right? Because when it comes to ClickBank and any affiliate product, any affiliate network, the goal is to just be financially free. I want you to think about your future for a second, exactly a year from now, what your life is going to look like. Is it going to be the same spot, doing the same thing, or it's going to be something different? Maybe you took action right now and you accessed this program and you learned something that you didn't know, something that just changed the way you see online business. Think about it. What you can do with an extra $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, even that's just this basic stuff, by the way. People are making $3,000-$4,000 a day, but that basic stuff, let's say what you can do with an extra $2,000 a month. So I want you to see it like that. What your life is going to look like in exactly a year from now. Right? So this is why I want you to see the power of this. How much an extra $2,000 is going to change your life? Are you going to have a much comfortable life? Maybe pay your bills easier and get out of debt if you're in it. So think about it like that. Now let's continue, because I want to show you what's inside, because I want you to see exactly what we're talking about here, right? I want you to see what's inside, and also I want you to see something else that comes on top of it, which is really incredible. It's a platform that really a lot of people are using and like learning an incredible amount of stuff every single day from a lot of different experts, you know, without paying any extra. All right, so let's get into it. So here's how you access this course. It's really easy. You're gonna click link in the description, or if you see a kind of a pop-up right here, like something like that, you can click that as well. And it's gonna take you to this page, guys. It's Gold Masterclass. It's gonna take you to this page, and right here you can just click. You can read more about the course if you want, you know, and also this course comes with dedicated coaching as well. So, you know, if you have any questions, if there's something we can help you with, you can definitely, you know, get help inside the community. So you're gonna click this button. It's gonna take you to this page. It literally takes 5 seconds to make an account and access this course. Now let me show you what's inside here. If you take a look, this course comes with a lot of details. We got 40 videos that you can access. It's all video detailed, comes with resources and everything you need to build a business like this in literally minutes. Alright, now one of the things that is really interesting about Versity Gold Masterclass is that this is a part of our Versity community. So this course is not the only course that you're going to be able to access. With this account, you're going to be able to access all of Versity courses. We got hundreds of courses. If you actually go here, we got hundreds of courses here and thousands of lessons, you know, and all of them come with dedicated coaching. You know, if you want to learn about YouTube, if you want to even try our done for you business, you can access it inside. You know, like we got the Inner Circle Masterclass. This is like 106 lesson, about 17 hours of videos and like training resources and everything. If you want to learn about different advertising strategies, all of that stuff, again, these are hundreds of courses exclusive by you know, a lot of different super affiliates, including me as well. You can access all of them with a single account inside of Versity. Alright guys, so if you're ready to access the course and, you know, hundreds of other courses that we have on a Versity platform, click the link in the description, or you click that link that you see below this video, or, you know, on the top of this page. Access the course, access the platform, and access hundreds of other courses that you can find by other affiliates and, like, you know, other super affiliates, and also, you know, learn affiliate marketing the way you should. If you want to build a passive income for yourself, this is the platform you want to be a part of. You get dedicated coaching and you get hundreds of courses from different experts, and also at the same time you get new courses every month, dozens of new courses by a lot of new experts who are not on the platform and just joining the platform. So an incredible place to learn really incredible things for your business. If you have trouble with traffic, if you have trouble with conversions, if you have trouble with just you don't understand the formula, you just gotta find the right way to do it, this is the platform and this is the course you want to be a part of. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you are on YouTube, you can leave a comment below. I'll answer the comments and I'll look forward to seeing you inside.